want to go ahead and take it to that the next level, you know, sing the English section after the Hawaiian section. Aloha mai kako ukulele friends, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Those of you who are coming here for the first time, we are actually covering a book called the He Mele Aloha book. Hundreds of Hawaiian songs. I think there are close to 300 pages of music in here. Every week we go over a new song. It's a great book because it shows you the ukulele chords, where each chord goes over the lyrics, but it doesn't show you any notation or any sense of how the vocal melody goes. So that's why I'm here to help you along with something that is, you know, can be a little challenging to learn, which is Hawaiian music. You can be apprehensive about learning the language. So I'm here to kind of help you ease into learning your first Hawaiian songs. And this week we're gonna do a great one called Kahlua, one of my favorite. I always say that for every song, but it's a great song. Most popular version of this song is probably from the movie Bird of Paradise. It was actually written for the movie Bird of Paradise by a gentleman by the name of Ken Darby in 1952, and it's a song that's featured. If you've never seen the movie, it's actually kind of an interesting representation of Polynesian life or Hawaiian life, and check it out if you ever get a chance. It's kind of a very dated movie. Came out in 1952 called Bird of Paradise. Anyhow, this song was written for that film. You may know another version, which is my personal favorite version of this song, by the group ʻOhana. And it was a group featuring Uncle Dennis Pavao, the brothers Ned and Led Ka'apana. We're gonna do a song called Kahlua. Some people call it the love song of Kahlua. Let's just go ahead and dive right into it like we have been. Oh, actually, let me go ahead and give a shout out to my friends in the group Kapena. This is an awesome shirt. A group that's been very instrumental in shaping me as a musician when I was growing up in Aliamanu. And they actually have a new version of Kapena featuring the younger generation, shaping the future of the Kapena sound. So go ahead and check them out. And let's dive right into our new lesson. This one is Kahlua. And there are only 4 chords in this song. It's in the key of C. So the first chord is gonna be C. And the second chord is gonna be G7. Also a C7 and F. Alright. So it's an interesting song. It starts off sort of like an oli or chant opening. Up, down, up, down. This is probably the simplest strum we've done thus far. Very, very simple. And then we come in. That's how the song comes in. It comes in with that kind of interesting intro section. And then we head into the verse. The verse is gonna go. The part in the beginning, we do that one more time, going into the next section, okay? And then we go into this next section. I call it a hui, right after that little oli section. Okay, back to C. Kapua imohala ike ahumoe Hipoi ke aloha makamai Nona kaua kau no kaini kalu. Alright, now let's go ahead and try the whole thing all the way through, because I think that'll give you the best sense of how the song flows, okay? And there's actually a separate section. This is actually a Hapa song, which means half Hawaiian, half English. And there's actually a second section which is all in English, but we're not going to go over that because you can just take the melody and sing the English portion on your own if you want to go ahead and take it to that the next level. Let's go ahead and try it straight through, no stopping, and it'll give you a better sense of what the song sounds like all together, okay? Remember, up, down. Here we go. Alright, congratulations you guys made it through yet another Hawaiian song. And you guys are just adding to your repertoire, you know, adding a different Hawaiian song, a new Hawaiian song every week. I really want to thank you guys for joining me. Once again, if you want to know more information about me, go ahead and check out www.stevenespaniola.com. And of course, you can check out my Instagram, which is @StevenEspaniola. I'll go ahead and link that right down here. And thank you guys once again. I'll see you guys on the next one. We're going to try some different things in the upcoming weeks, including some songs that are not necessarily in the He Mele Aloha book. I'll see you guys again.